If you're looking to create a checklist for employee training using Process.st, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create an organized, efficient checklist that will streamline your employee onboarding and training process. This is perfect for new users of Process.st who want to set up their first checklist and get up and running fast. To start, log into your Process.st account. If you don't have one, check out the link below to get started with an exclusive extended free trial, allowing you to explore all of its features without paying upfront. Once you're in, click the New Template button. Here, you can create a brand new checklist template. It's as simple as naming your template something like Employee Training Checklist and giving it a description to help you and your team know exactly what it's for. Now, the real magic happens when you begin adding tasks to your checklist. Think about the various steps needed to properly train a new employee. For example, you might want to include steps like review company policies, complete safety training, or set up workstations. Each task will become a specific step for your employees to complete, and you can add as many steps as you like, ensuring a smooth and thorough training process. For each task, you can add detailed instructions, links to resources, or even attach files. This is where Process.st really shines. It makes it easy to centralize all the information your team needs in one place. You don't need to hunt down documents or emails. Everything's right there in your checklist. Another great feature of Process.st is the ability to add custom fields to your checklist. For example, you could include fields for employee names, dates of completion, or checkboxes for compliance requirements. These fields help you track progress and ensure no step in your training process is skipped. This makes it simple to review how each new employee is doing and if they're meeting the necessary training requirements. As you go through the steps, you'll notice that Process.st allows for the inclusion of different types of tasks, like date-based tasks or approvals. This means if certain tasks need to be approved by a manager, you can automate the approval workflow, which helps you save time and reduce human error. It's especially useful for employee training because you can ensure tasks are completed before moving on to the next stage. Once your checklist template is ready, you can assign it to specific employees or teams. You can also set due dates for each task to ensure training happens on time. Additionally, Process.st's automation features can notify your team when it's time to complete a task or remind them about upcoming deadlines. After you've set up everything, it's time to launch. Employees can start working through the checklist and checking off each task as they complete it. You can track their progress in real time, and if any issues arise, you can address them quickly. Remember, with Process.st, you're not just creating a checklist, you're streamlining your entire employee training process, making it more efficient and easier to manage. You can also continuously improve your checklist over time by adding new tasks, updating instructions, or creating more detailed steps based on feedback from your team. To wrap up, don't forget that Process.st offers an exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description below, so you can test out all the features we've discussed today. Creating a checklist for employee training has never been easier or more organized. Make sure to take full advantage of this offer and get started today.